Buongiorno! So I woke up this morning after last night having just published my Patreon page. I was like, you know, it's kind of one of those things like throwing a birthday party and you're not sure if people are gonna come or how many people are gonna come. To wake up and see that I have patrons is the best feeling. I'm so excited for this community. We're gonna have so much fun. I'm excited to fill you in on the behind the scenes stuff of these videos and of my creative process and share delicious recipes. Speaking of which, I decided to share something with you guys in this video that is something I cooked that went horribly wrong and then so right. And really just goes to show how a kitchen mistake can be a kitchen delight. I decided to make a chocolate cake because when is that ever a bad idea? It's kind of like extra fun to be making things in this kitchen where I don't have any of my usual kitchen stuff, like whisking the eggs until they're fluffy. Always ends up, you know, I start sweating, but it's all good. And I found this recipe by Dory Greenspan. This was called Chocolate Birthday Cake, and it's on the New York Times cooking recipe box. I'm so excited about this. The batter is so nice. It's perfect. It's silky. It's rich. It's amazing. And then it's time to pop it in the oven, and then shortly thereafter is when things go awry.
Okay, so what happened?
Okay, so the deal is, you know, still getting used to this kitchen. The cake came out beautifully, and I really wish I would have shot it as soon as it came out of the oven. I baked it in this, came out beautifully. And then I let it cool for about 5 minutes until I could touch this, and then I flipped it over. It came out beautifully. I was like feeling so happy with myself. In this kitchen, I don't have a cooling rack. And then I was, oh my God, I'm such a mess. I can't even. Okay, so I put it on these thinking this could be a cooling rack. Guess what? So then I pulled this out from the oven, but not in time. And this basically just like fell. And you know what? It's really delicious. It's a really good cake. This is not going to go to waste. Mark my words. But I'm thinking outside the box. I'm thinking, do you remember cake balls? I've got some crema al mascarpone that needs using. The cake, break the cake up into even smaller bits. Mix it with the crema al mascarpone. I made it for a recent video when I was talking about panettone and pandoro. I think I have the perfect way to use it.
Time for a cake ball.
Time for a cake ball!
Put the whole thing in my mouth.
I mean, you do you. These are pretty big. I'm probably gonna bite mine in half. Oh my God. It's really good. Oh my God, are you gonna gag? Oh my gosh. So just remember, whenever you mess up in the kitchen, think cake balls. Thanks again for being a part of this Patreon community. I'll see y'all real soon.